Hello everyone. So in this session, we will discuss the information gathering tools. Okay. Okay. So we will discuss the information gathering tools. Okay. So like we will discuss the Google Advanced Search, YouTube Metadata, Napalm FD Indexer, Shodan, Census, Netcraft, PQ, the Harvester like tools. Okay. So first we will see the basic tools and then we will move to advanced. Okay. Before moving forward, let's discuss the previous session. Okay, so this is session number 3. If you haven't watched the session number 1 and 2, please go and watch that. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so search for Jeetu Jaswal, the channel name. Okay, click on the channel, click on live. Okay, from here, click on day 2, right click, open link in the same as day 1, right click. Okay, so from here you can watch a day 1 video as well as day 2 video. So in the day 1, we have discussed the installation process, all about cybersecurity, network cybersecurity, ethical hacking is hacking, phrases of hacking, types of hacker, okay, everything about security. Okay, and then we have seen how to install the ParaTOS as well as the VMware. Okay, and ParaTOS inside VMware. Then in the section number 2, we'll discuss the Linux commands. Okay. So we'll take the recap first and then we will start. So in the first session, we have discussed the ethical hacking versus hacking. Ethical hacking versus hacking. Okay, so ethical hacking is like hacking in the legal way, and hacking is like hacking in the illegal way. Okay, so hacking is like hacking in the illegal way by breaking the rules and by breaking the standards. And ethical hacking is like hacking by following all the rules and regulations, by following all the ethics, and by replicating or mimicking the actions of a malicious hacker. Okay, that is ethical hacking. Then we have discussed the types of hackers. So basically, we have three types of hackers. That is the white hat, the black hat, and then the gray hat. Like the basic hackers. And then we have discussed the phases of hacking. That is known as the methodology of hacking. Okay. So methodology, basically this is the universal methodology of hacking. All other methodologies like penetration testing methodology, IoT or OT methodology, other or like soft methodology, all the methodologies will revolve around these methodologies. Okay, like attack life cycle, we have cyber kill chain. So all other revolves around this methodology. That is the phases of hacking. Okay, so in this we have the information gathering. We have the scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and then clearing traces. Okay, now, and the softwares that we are going to use in the entire session or in the upcoming sessions are ParaTOS and VMware. Okay, so in the video numbers first, in the session number 1, we have discussed how to install ParaTOS, how to install VMware, how to install or how to settle or how to set up the ParaTOS inside VMware. Okay, so now in the day 2, we have discussed the basic Linux. So the basic Linux commands. Okay, so let me show you. So these are the commands that we will discuss in the Linux. So let me open them. Linux machine. So open your VMware and open your ParaDOS. Okay, so login 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have discussed these basic commands. First, pwd, which will print working directory. This will display your current location where you are in. Okay, ls, this will list all the directories, all the folders inside your current working directory. Okay, then we have cd, which is like change directory. Cd space and dot dot. This is a this will take you one step backward from the current location. Okay, like clear history. Who am I? Ls help. This is for the help commands. If you are new to any tool, or if you are like if you don't know how to operate a particular tool, then you can type ls or any tool name hyphen help. L man ls it is for manual. Okay, mkdir, this is for the folder. This is for creating the file. Sudo for the root permissions. Exit. Okay. Then this is for creating folders. File again, removing file and removing folder. rm space. Okay, hyphen rf. Remove folder and the folder name. Okay, that you want to remove. Echo hello world, and this is used to like save something in a file. Okay, so this is for reading the content of a file. Figlet, echo, this is a basic commands. Okay, less, more, move, copy, etc. So move is for moving. First, this move is for renaming. Okay, you can rename the file. So move your old file name and your new file name. Then move your file name that you want to move and the location where you want to move. Okay, same as the copy file name and the location that you want to like where you want to copy. Okay, then sudo apt update. This is basically for the file name. Okay, this will show you the details like the encoding inside your content of the file. Okay, these are for updating the current your ParaDOS or your operating system, whether it is Kali Linux or ParaDOS. Okay, date. This is for displaying the date. This is for changing or set the date. Okay, the format should be date, month, year, and hour, minute, and seconds. PS. These are for the processes commands. Okay, and this is for killing the process, and these are for the time date CDL for like the timing details like time zones, etc. And this is last command is for changing the time zone. If you want to change the time zone of a ParaDOS, you can change it. Okay. So these are the some of the basic commands that we have discussed. Okay, let me close this. We can try this. Okay. Now, so in this session, we will discuss first IP config. Okay, IF config for displaying the IP addresses. Okay, Google advanced search. Okay, then YouTube metadata. Napalm FTP indexer. Okay, then Shodan census netcraft PQ the harvester. Okay, and then we will see Sherlock, which is a Python tool. Then follower wonk, ping, traceroute, which is known as traceroute. Okay, then net discover. So these are the tools we are going to see today. Okay. So first we have ipconfig. Ipconfig is for Windows. Okay, this is for the Windows OS, and this is for the Linux. Okay. So these are for displaying the networking information. Okay. Networking information. Okay. Same as ifconfig and ipconfig. But ipconfig is for Windows and ifconfig is for Linux. For displaying the networking information. Same as for displaying the networking information like IP addresses, netmask, or the gateway IP, etc. So let's try. Open your terminal here. So okay, so zoom. Let me zoom in. Okay, now we can try ifconfig for Linux. Okay, so these are the networking details. Okay, like we have Docker, we have ENS33. This is my adapter, and this is the loopback IP. Okay, so here we have the IP addresses. Okay, and we have the netmask, etc. All the information. So you can try it inside your system. ifconfig is for the Linux, or ipconfig is for the Windows. Okay, so you can try the same in Windows. Open the CMD. Okay, and then here you can type ifconfig. Sorry, ipconfig. Okay, so here you can see the Wi-Fi is my adapter. This is my IP address. Okay, my gateway IP, everything. Okay, now next we have the Google Advanced Search. So basically, this is a website. Okay, now YouTube metadata. This is also a website. Naval FT indexer. This is also a website. Shodan. Basically, it is a website. It is a search engine also. So we will try for both. Like we will try the extension also as well as the website also. We will use both. Census, a website. Okay. Netcraft, a website as well as a extension. So we will use both. PQ, a website again. The harvester. It is a Linux tool. Okay. Sherlock. It is also a Linux tool which is made up of Python. Which is made up of Python 3 basically. Okay. So we can follow Wonk. It is also a website. Ping. It is a command. Okay, for both Linux and Windows. So we will mainly focus on the Linux and Windows. Same as with the tracer. Tracer is for command for Windows. Okay. Now, net discover. This is a command only for Linux. Okay. Now, first we will try Google Advanced Search. So open your Chrome browser, search for Google Advanced Search. Okay. Here. Okay, click on your Advanced Search. Now here you can search in more deeper way. Okay. Like first we will find pages with. Let's say we can find with like we can find the anything like easy console you can search for. Okay. Anything you can search for. Okay. Now the exact word or phrase again. Okay, you can see the example here from here. Okay. Now any other words if you want to check. So we can check for the CEH again. Okay, or we can search for the cPent. Okay, this is a basic search, and the search will depend on your needs. Okay, so we sure about your needs. So we will going to search the EC Council web page. None of these words we will leave this empty. Range leave this empty. Okay, if you want to fill, you can fill. Languages we can choose English. In that case, okay. Reason you can choose. We'll choose any reason. Okay, time you will go for up to a month ago. Domain we can search for the domain also, and then terms appearing we can anywhere in the page. Okay, basically we have in the title, in the text, in the URL, or in the links. Basically in the title means suppose there is a website. Let's say we have a website Amazon. Okay, click on website, right click on view page source, like right click view page source. Okay, from here you can see the title here, somewhere here only. um, Here you can see the title. Okay, so whatever the keyword you will search inside title, okay, so the keyword should be inside this title tag of the HTML. Okay, you can see from here. Okay, so we can put anywhere in the page. In the text means anywhere in the text. Okay, in the URL in this particular URL. Okay, in these URLs basically. Okay, then we can search for the file type. We can search for PDF, PS, etc. So we will go with PDF. Oh, okay. Now click on advanced search. Okay. So we can remove this or why this all is coming. Okay. And so let's make it simple. We will go with any format. Okay. Click on advanced search. So you can only see the EC Council websites. Okay, like EC Council everywhere. Basically, like using the advanced search engine like Google Advanced Search, it is not a good. Okay, basically you can go for the Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs here. Okay. Okay, so basically you can go for the Google Docs here. Basically, Google Advanced Search and the Google Doc are like both same, but Google Docs are the more efficient way as compared to Google's Advanced Search. Okay, or you can try both. It's your choice. Then we have the YouTube metadata. Okay, let's see this. So open any video of, let's open my video or any JTech video. So we will go with any video like um let's say CCNP training. Okay, you cannot try this on any of the video. Okay, so make sure of this. Okay, so right click, copy video URL. Okay, so copy this. Now search for YouTube metadata. Okay. So YouTube metadata will provide you all the information regarding the videos. Okay, whether it is a live video or it is a premium video or it is a like any video. Okay. So you can enter your URL here, Control V, and then submit. So wait for it. Okay, now we have the information about the videos. First, we have the publish ad, channel ID, title, etc., and description, thumbnails, medium. Okay. Now, then we have the image, the thumbnail image. Okay, you can also reverse engineer or reverse search the image. Then the statistics, the views count, likes count, etc. And then the geolocation is not available right now. The status, okay, uploaded, etc. Live stream. So this video is a live stream. So here we have this actual start time, end time, schedule, etc. Okay, you can see it. Then date, like content details, or topic details, etc. Okay, thumbnails. Now you can click on this, click to reverse search, image search. Click on here. Okay, image, like reverse image search. Or you can click on, you can see the channel information like title, description, etc. etc. Okay, so these are the information you can get from here. Like we have like sound information. Okay, you can search for the thumbnail. Okay, this is how you can reverse image search also. So metadata is a very powerful tool. Okay, you can like gather information from any video. Okay, of your target. Okay, do not try to any legit users. Try it on your own videos. Okay, because what are we? We are a ethical hackers. We are legal ones. Okay, so we have statistics. You can find out all the information. Okay, so now we can remove this. We can remove this. We can remove this. Okay, so this is YouTube metadata. Then we have Napal FTP indexer. So open the website again. Napal FTP indexer. Click on this. So here search for any URL. So we will go with AdWords, let's say Microsoft or any word. Okay, click on the words. Just click on search. So FTP indexer will show you the file that are on the Microsoft server, okay, which you can access. Okay, you can click on next. We have many pages. Okay, you can click on next. Okay, now we can get the information. So, but in this like FTP indexer, you have to search for the information. Okay, in deep. So you have to spend time here. You can click on the from this exe. This is the exe file basically. Okay, you can click on download here, or you can analyze it. Okay, so FTP indexer will show you the files that are on the server. Okay, but you have to spend time here. You have to like deep analyze it. Okay, if you want to find any like useful file, that is FTP indexer. Then we have Shodan. Shodan is an extension as well as a website. Shodan is a very powerful tool. Okay, so basically let's search for this. Add Shodan as an extension. So search for Shodan extension for for Chrome, for Firefox, for Brave, whatever you are using, for Edge. So I'm using Chrome. So search for Chrome. So chrome.google.com. Click on this. You will add to Chrome. Okay. After let's visit any website. Let's say Amazon. Okay. Now from here you can see this. Okay, three circles or this one in the extension. So click on this. Here you can find out the IP address, the whole country where the server is located. Okay, because website is hosted on some server in the cloud or on the like on the cloud server on any server. So country we have or the organization and the open ports. Okay. So why on the extension this will be helpful by finding the IP easily find IP addresses the located in which like city and the organization and the open ports. Now this is the extension. Okay. Now we have Shodan website. Search for Shodan website. Okay, just Shodan. Okay. Click on Shodan.io. Now you can search for anything. Let's say Amazon again. Click on here. Wait for it. Okay, so this will show you all the information. Like you can click on view report, browse images, view on map. Okay, so this will show you every detail. Okay, so we have this IP addresses related the services running on the Amazon servers. Okay, click on view report for the proper format. Wait for it. Okay, so you can see the countries here. Okay, and then the ports, open ports. Okay, the organizations and the vulnerabilities. Okay, here operating systems running on the particular server, tags, products. Okay, these are the information you can find out. You can go through this information one by one. Okay, and you can see everything on the GeoMap. Okay, like this host, particular host in the US, USA, Brazil, etc. India, 50,000. Okay, so here you can check all the information. So Shodan is basically used for the IoT and OT hacking, like OT, IoT and OT information gathering, as well as the basic information gathering. Okay, so this is a search engine. So this is basically a website also, extension also. Okay, so we can cross it. Okay, you can go for it. Then we have census. So search for census is also very powerful. Okay, click on census.io. Basically, you have to search for, click on census search. Okay, now here search for the IP addresses. So we can search for the, okay, Amazon IP. Click on here, student, copy the IP address, Control C, paste, search. Okay, so this will show you all the details like HTTP details, HTTPS, okay, TLS details, etc. Okay, you can click on view all data. So first, the reverse and DNS, the Amazon network routing, etc. protocols used. Okay, the request and get, post, put, delete, whatever it is. Okay, this is get, protocol use, its status, etc. etc. Okay, you can click on view all data. So you can get all what is summary. Okay, like all the report of the census from the census of the Amazon. Okay, the server located, etc. So you can view it. You can read it and go through it like one by one. The HTML codes we have inside response body, we have this code. Inside text, we have this tag. Okay, etc. So you can go through it one by one, like what are the information is all about. Or if you found, like if you find any difficulty in some of the columns or the rows, you can research, because research is very important in cybersecurity. Okay, so try it by your own. Then we have Netcraft. It is also a website and extension. So you can first we will add this as extension. Okay, so basically, what is it? Netcraft. Yeah, Netcraft extension. Okay, for Chrome or whatever you are using. Add from here, right to Chrome. Okay, click on here. Now after that, open any website. We'll open Amazon. Okay, from here, click on Netcraft. Now click on, so basically Netcraft is a very, very wonderful tool. So what will a Netcraft will do here? So basically Netcraft tells you about the phishing pages. Okay. And it will also provides you the site report. Okay, so it is basically used for the information gathering. Okay, so basically it is used for the information gathering, as well as it will like protect you from the phishing pages. Okay, that we will discuss in the social engineering module. So first we will see the site report of the Netcraft provided by Netcraft. Click on this icon, this colorful icon. Okay, from here, click on site report. Okay, cross this, no, cross this. Now here, okay, now here you can see the all the information of the Amazon. Okay, so like a lot of information. So we can get information of any website with a graph. Okay, so here we have a title. Okay, like whenever you click on right click, view page source. Okay, so we have a title here. Somewhere here, yeah, title. So you can see this title from here. Okay, basically the title is very important in the website. Okay, the rank of the site, description, first scene. Okay, primary language or network information and domain information, register details. Okay, name, server name, etc. Okay, delegation, IP delegation, okay, SSL, TLS information, etc. So you can go through it one by one. Okay, spend some time in this network of shorter sentences websites. Okay, and if you like finding some keyword is difficult, or if it is not understandable, you can search on Google. Okay, so cross this. No. Next we have PQ. Okay, so basically it is also a website which will use to gather information about a person. Okay, we can search for pq.com. Click on here, and then here you have to search for the name, last name, all states. So we can search for Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, and then all states we can search for. Okay, all states. India is not there, I hope. I think, yeah, India is there. No, India is not there. Okay, forget it. Click on all states. Click on search. Okay, now here you can see all the searches of a particular person that you search for, okay, on the Facebook, on other social backgrounds, etc. So, arrest records, like everything. Okay, you can search for. Okay, so we have 55 results. So you can search for any username or any name. Okay, make sure the name and username it should be correct. Okay, if you click on the view arrest warrants, okay, click on here. Okay, so this will open another website. Okay, that is the PQ website only. That is the instant checkmate. So this will show you the arrest warrants. So we can search for that also. Okay, you can go through this one by one. Okay, explore it. Okay, you can click on the search details, phone book, or address, etc. That is like be verified. This is also a very powerful website. Okay, you can search for it. We can go through this mean verified. Okay, click on okay. Let's wait for it. Oh, we found 7 images. Again, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, so we just fill this. Okay, click on next list. This. Okay, so wait for it. So it is searching. Our databases. Okay, so explore this. Okay, but the PQ is a very wonderful website. You can search for it. Make sure name and username should be correct. Okay, be verified. We have another one. Another one is that is instant checkmate. You can name this. So we have many websites you can explore by your own. We have the verified also. We have the instant checkmate. Okay, these are also websites. We can copy this. We can mention. Now the harvester. Okay, so let's close this. Now, so open your Linux. So basically, we can the harvester is a Linux tool. Okay, if the harvester, basically the harvester is pre-installed in on your like Paradox and Kali Linux. If it is not installed, then we can install it. You can search for the harvester GitHub. Okay, basically it is a GitHub. Okay, click on here, the harvester. Now you can clone this. We can easily clone this. Okay, you can click on the installation process here. Okay, now follow the installation process from the GitHub. So this will provide you the here. Okay, for the this is for the Docker actually. The Kali basically it is pre-installed. Okay, for the installing, you can clone it from here, like from Mac. You can click on here, code, copy this, and can type git clone and the name of your git clone and the sorry. Apply sudo before, but we have installed, so we will use it. Now, for using the harvester, basically harvester is a powerful tool which is used to like gather many information. So if we are like new to any tool, we can type the harvester should be capital hyphen help. If we are any two, just help. Use help. So these are the arguments we can use with the this is the banner, yellow banner. Okay. This one is a fig light. We have tried this yesterday. Okay. Now we have HD for domain start. Okay. Screenshot. No use. File name. Okay. Can use file name. Now what we will do, we can no. We will use the harvester. Sudo for the root permission. Again sudo the harvester. Okay. And hyphen the domain that you want to search. Let's see, we can search for the Microsoft. Hyphen L for the number of search limit 200. Let's see. Is not working. 2. Okay. Then hyphen B search engine like Google, Bing. Okay, anything. We will search for okay, enter. Password. So wait hyphen D for the domain. The harvester. Hyphen D for the domain. That is Microsoft.com. Hyphen L for the limit 200. Hyphen B for the search engine where you want, from which you want to search. So hyphen D for the domain. Hyphen L to limit the search results. Hyphen B for the search engine. Okay. Okay, so we have an error. These are the details we have got from the Microsoft. Okay, you can try any other. You can clear the screen. Press upper key. We can try any other website. We can try my own website, that is JNtech. Okay. Okay, so we have these informations like email from this JNtech website. Okay, this is a website you can visit. Okay, now clear the screen. Okay, now we have another one. We can try the harvester hyphen D for the domain. Okay, let's say again we can use any domain like JNtech only. Okay, networks.com. And from here we can search for hyphen L for limit the results hyphen B, and then we can use for the LinkedIn. Okay, enter. Invalid source JNtech Networks. Clear the screen. We can just replace this. Okay, this is the spelling inside the harvester. So we are searching our website on the LinkedIn. So wait for it. So these are the information we have get from this Google search. Okay, from this harvester. Okay, you can try it. Like we have found the user found 9197. Okay, these are the users. Okay, then we have found the other details. You can go for it. Okay, you can try in your at your own website. Okay, search choice. Okay, so after harvester we have Sherlock. So Sherlock is a Linux tool which is made up of Python 3. Basically, it is not pre-installed. We have to install it. So let me show you how to install Sherlock. So search for Sherlock GitHub. Okay, click on here Sherlock project. Now here, go down and here click see the installation process. Okay, just copy the installation like steps. So whenever you want to clone any GitHub tool, you can just follow the installation process. Okay, so we have to copy this git clone, copy, and then we can paste here inside the terminal. So sudo git, just control shift V. Okay, click on enter. So I have already the Sherlock in my destination. Then after that, you have to copy this command cd Sherlock. So we have to move inside Sherlock cd Sherlock. Okay. ls. So these are the items in my files and folders inside my Sherlock directory. So next it is saying Python 3 install. So this is for the installation. Okay, let me show you. So you just copy this, put sudo before that, sudo. Okay, enter. Basically, this command is because basically Python comes with many modules and libraries and frameworks as well as packages. So we have to install. So some packages are pre-installed with Python, or some you have to install it. Okay. So this is because this command is for installing the required packages. Okay, you can check out this file get requirements.txt. So packages we need for using the Sherlock Linux. But before you also need Python 3. So you can reading get install Python 3. Anything like before anything, just type Python here. So put so before that. Okay, that is already installed. So these commands one by one. First this one, then this one, and then third one. Okay. Type this command. Okay, this is a command. This, then this one, and this one. Okay. Then clear the screen. Now, then asking how to use it. So we have to type Sherlock Python hyphen help. So sudo Python 3 sudo for the root permission. Okay, Sherlock hyphen help. If we are new to any tool, we just type help. Okay, wait for it. Now these are the arguments we can use with the Sherlock. Okay, now Sherlock is also used for gathering the information of for a particular username that you have applied. Okay, so this will gather information of a particular username from every social media site. Okay, so we will clear the screen. Now let's try this sudo Python 3. Okay, then Sherlock name of any username. Okay, let's put my name, Rajan. Okay, you can put any name. Search file or directory. Sorry, remove this. Wait for it. Let search for my username. Checking username Bhavyan. Oh my god. I'm not even on 7 cups. Let's wait. Basically, I generally don't use this. Doesn't use this URL, this username. I use a different URL. Okay, so basically you can search for any username. Okay, here. So this username is on many social media websites. Okay, and it is I'm not on Netflix. Wi-Fi, Pastewin. I'm not even on Pastewin. Yeah, I'm on Kaggle. but I'm not sure that it is my username or not. Okay, there are so many of this. So you can put your username here, okay, or any username you want to check for. Okay, so basically this is not the username I use. I use different one. Okay, so let's wait for it. Genius Pokemon. Yeah. God. So let's wait for it. Ready? Okay, so this will search from like on Facebook, on Fiverr, on Flickr, and Flipboard, Genius, GitHub, GitLab, on in like in every social media sites. Okay, or social sites. Google or Instagram, not on Instagram. Okay, wait for it. So this will take time. Okay, Control C. Okay, you can keep on searching. Kill the screen. Now I can search for my username also for Jen. Okay, or any username. Okay, you can search for. Let's say we can search for any username mark 124. So you can search for any username here, but the username should be here. Okay, not your name, not your first name or not your last name, your username. Okay, wherever you use. Okay. Okay, Mark is on GitHub. Okay, you can copy the URL from here. Control Shift C. You can open the URL from in the Chrome. Sherlock is a very powerful. Okay, I love it. Okay, so Mark is empty. Just a account here. Okay, you can see the help command. You can see the arguments from here also. Okay, you can see you can read these okay, contents also. So cross this. Okay, so for installing, follow the installation process. Okay, Control C. I am sit from here. Okay, clear the screen. Now next we have which one? Follow wonk. Okay, this is basically for the Twitter search. Okay, if you want to search in the inside Twitter, we have to follow the @ like format. Okay, so let me open. Let's open. So follower wonk. Wonk. Okay, for Twitter, basically it's on Twitter only. You can click on here. Okay, now here we can search for try it for free. Basically, go back. Analyze Twitter followers. We can follower one pricing. We can search for the analyze Twitter followers. Okay, now here we have to mention the name. Okay, we have to mention name like this only, like by following @ format. So we can follow. Basically, let's say let's put okay. We can put thing like do it. Basically, I am on Twitter. Okay, so this is my profile. No, this is not my profile. Okay, like they are so this is not my username. Okay, you can search for any username. Analyze users they follow or analyze their followers. So both will be displayed. Okay, so we don't have any. Let's search for this name. Do it. Analyze their followers. Okay, we can mention any name like anything you want to mention. Okay, etc. So this is not my account. So don't think that I have only this much followers. I have many followers. Okay. So next we have ping and tracer. So basically ping is used for inside Linux and Windows. So we can use inside Windows. Sorry, Linux. Ping and the website you want to ping. So ping is basically used for two purposes. First, to find the nodes in the roots. Okay. So to find the nodes in the roots. Second, to check whether a particular host is up or down. Okay. So you can check for it. So basically, we will start ping. We can ping for JNtech website. Okay. Okay. So this will show you the node. Okay. And this will show you this will display the IP address of the website. Okay. Control C. And this will show, okay, the host is up. Okay. And then you can see the path, okay, which they follow. Basically, not inside Linux, you can see inside the Windows. Okay, you can search for the ping and the website name, JNtech Networks.com. Okay, you can enter this. I'm removing. Okay, same as like Windows. So this will display the node as well as the check whether a particular host is up or not. Also, this will show to find out the IP address. Okay, same as we have the traceroute. Okay, traceroute is for the Linux. Sorry, for the Windows. Okay, but this will show you the routes in the detail way, in more detail. So we can open the CMD for it. Type traceroute. Now the website name. Okay, we can try traceroute on that Chrome, sorry, on the Windows, and we can try on the Linux also. The command is traceroute. Okay, you can type help for check. Okay, so we have clear the screen, traceroute, and website name, JNtech Networks. .com. Okay, enter. So this will show you the path. Okay, Control C. Okay, so basically this will show you the overall path. Okay, taking by a particular packet. So we have this IP address. Okay, this is my router gateway IP. This is my gateway IP. This is my another ISP IP, etc., etc. Okay, so you can try this. Basically, we can go in deep in the traceroute in the upcoming sessions because traceroute or traceroute is for Linux. Command for Linux. Okay, so basically traceroute is we will go in detail. It is a very powerful tool. Okay, we will gather more information with the help of ping as well as traceroute or traceroute. Okay, last we have net discover, which is used to right, which is used to display the IP addresses of the connected devices inside your network to work. Okay. You're not finding any call network. Okay. So we can try inside the Linux. So it is used to display the connected devices IP addresses inside your network. Okay, whatever the devices are connected with the router, so this will display. So we can open the Linux. We can click on view, zoom in. Okay, now here, click on net. Sudo, you need a sudo permission, root permission, let discover, enter. Password. So this will display the IP addresses, MAC addresses, okay, etc. And vendor name, host name. Okay, so basically these are the devices connected with my router or many more. Okay, you can keep on. Okay, so this will scan for all the host inside the network, all the 255 host. Okay, so this is my router IP, other IPs. Okay, so this is how you can like find the connected device IP addresses inside your network. Okay, inside the same network that you are in. Okay, so these are the basic tools. Like let's take a recap before wrapping up. So we have discussed the ipconfig, ifconfig for displaying the IP addresses and networking details inside your system. Networking information inside your system. Google Advanced Search for searching. We will use the Google Doc in the next session. Okay, so remove this. Metadata for gathering information of it for in case of a video. Okay, for a particular video. NAPL, FTP indexer, Shodan, Census, Netcraft. Okay, which is a website extension, same as with the showdown extension and website. Okay, you can add as an extension and you can go with the website also. Census and then netcraft, PQ for the use for the people information. Okay, for gathering the human information. Being verified, and you can go with this website also. The harvester, Sherlock, follower walk, paying, tracer, traceroute, net discover. Okay, so these are the tools that we have covered today. And if you want to clone any website, like sorry, if you want to clone any tool from the GitHub, you have to follow the installation process. Okay, for example, Sherlock, GitHub, click on here. Now here, click on go down. From here, you can click on. You can always follow the installation process inside my README file. Okay, this is my README file. Either you can click on this README file from here. Okay, or you can check from here the languages which is made up of. That is Python and Docker file, contributors, etc. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.